Hi, my name's Hugh Cathers. I work for Barnes Group out of Bristol, Connecticut, a manufacturing company established in 1857. I am the Global Director of IT Infrastructure and Service Delivery. For any organization, our top concerns for table stakes are patching and data backups. After data backups, we want to secure the network and secure our data. Barnes has been a Fortinet customer for about 20 years. About 6 years ago, we went through some deep dives in the environment, and we really came back to Fortinet being the leader in the space. Barnes Group has 100 locations, over 100 locations globally, and we have 150 firewalls. We use FortiManager, FortiAnalyzer, EMS managed FortiClient. ZTNA is a critical piece of our zero trust strategy. My director of cybersecurity has been asking me to work on it for years, and I told him I need pieces in place. I need a foundation. We have that foundation in place now, and now we can layer on EMS managed FortiClient, which brings in ZTNA. Previously, we had an unmanaged FortiClient, which just provided VPN. The new managed FortiClient allows us a lot of benefits. We can change configurations on the fly. As long as there's the connection to the EMS, we can make configuration changes and the clients will get those. We don't need to bring the computers back into our facilities to change them. We quickly replaced the FortiClient on all of our endpoints within 3 months. So we took the unmanaged FortiClient off, we put the managed FortiClient on with zero interruption for our users. They were able to continue to VPN into our locations, and then we could layer in the ZTNA. We chose file servers and ERP systems as our first applications to use ZTNA because we feel that's going to bring the most value to us. It's the reason a lot of people VPN in, and if we can remove those reasons why they VPN in, then we can just use ZTNA. We've already seen a lot of benefits with ZTNA. One critical benefit is the ability to see the posture of devices remotely. Before, people would come in and say, I can't VPN in, and we would ask them if they had internet connectivity. But now we can actually see that before even asking the question. We can see if they have internet connectivity. We have ZTNA tags for if they're encrypted with BitLocker. We have ZTNA tags to see if they have our patch management software on them. If they are patched, what status is their patching? I talked about table stakes before. Patching is critical. But after that, we want to make sure the device is ready to connect to our network. And we can see that before people VPN in or use the ZTNA app. Another benefit that we had in the unmanaged FortiClient, we were unable to do web filtering off network. It's been something that we've wanted to do for a long time. We've looked at DNS filtering utilities, being able to use proxy addresses in the cloud, and none of them really fit with our environment. With the managed FortiClient, we're able to do web filtering off net, and it's a really big benefit. HR, legal, our CFO, our CIO have asked if we can limit web filtering outside of the facilities, and now we offer that. So it's really helped make sure our devices are more secure with accessing the web when they're off net. When we first deployed Fortinet firewalls, one of the big benefits are FortiGuard. We do use FortiGuard, UPM. Those are all enabled and turned on right from our zero-touch deployments. Knowing that we do have these controls in place, our technology is in place, those other table stakes are taken care of, we know that we're in a good and secure position, and I sleep great.